What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Oopbuy. So first thing you want to do, go to my link tree, sign up with this link. It gives you some coupons and it gives you 30% off on shipping. Next thing you want to do is go to my spreadsheet. It's not really a spreadsheet, but it's like a website. So you can scroll here, go to product, all these options. You can search for whatever you want. So I'm gonna search up this. Hold up. Go to here, and then just keep going till you find something you like. So I'm gonna add these to my cart. 46 black. Add. Now let's keep going. Let's go back to the front page. There are Birkenstocks. Size 46. Mocha. Let me add these to the cart. Let's see what else. I don't really want essentials. I already have Balenciaga. I'm just gonna keep scrolling, and then you guys will see what I add to the cart.
Man, that day. Lord, answer me when I call you. Oh God, declare me innocent. Have mercy on me. Please hear my prayers and slay off all my enemies. Trying to ruin my reputation with all these accusations, but I know no revelation gonna come unless I get tribulation. And you can be sure this.
Now that I have all my items, I have these slides, these Birkenstocks, these Crocs, Chrome Hearts, and Babe Studs. Just press settle account. Choose your shipping address. Here's all the stuff. You can select coupons if you have any. I don't think I have any for items. Then yeah, you just submit the order. Oh, you have to first do the shipping address, so give me a second. Now that you're done putting in your address and whatever, what you want to do is just press submit order. Then you have to use your balance, whatever you want to use, PayPal, credit card, Google, whatever. I have balance with Oopbuy, so I'm just going to use that. Payment, and then it says payment successful. And then you can either continue shopping for more stuff, or you can just view your order. And then yeah, now you just have to wait for them to send it to the warehouse. Like the people who own this stuff, it's in their own factories, they're probably making it, and they have to ship it out to the warehouse, where then you can then Oopbuy will send you pictures of what it looks like, and then you can decide if you want to return it or just ship it out. So this is only the first part of the spending money, and to see how much it would cost, just use your estimation skills. So shoes would probably be like around 1 to 1.5 kg. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just say they're all 1.5 because you would rather overestimate than underestimate. So 6 kg, 7 kg. So then you want to go to estimation, select your country. 7,000 grams, 7 kg. You don't need to do these bottom two. So shipping would be like $60. So once it gets to the warehouse, you ship it out. It's $60. And you just wait till it gets to your house. It'll send you a tracking code. And then yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions, and peace out.